Welcome to Reflective Minds. Today we are going to do the card The Lovers. Union, two choices, relationship, values, harmony and alignment are the basic connotation of the Lovers card. So we will dive deep into the Lovers card now. It suggests the element is air. Astrological sign is Gemini, the twins. Symbol is sword, meaning is soulfulness. Chakra, heart chakra, for love and healing. Key meanings: love, relationship, maturity and decisions. Let's dive into it. Two lovers arrive in the magical garden where strange flowers bloom and snakes talk. The full sun beams behind the luminous Archangel Raphael, angel of love and healing, who presides over their union. The lovers stand in the Garden of Eden together, yet woman Eve is gazing up at Archangel Raphael, who is holding up his right hand, explaining to them that they will be cast out of the garden if they eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Their innocent paradise will end. A metaphor for the seeming perfection of the new relationship before we must negotiate the practicalities. The man Adam, who could also be the fool on his journey through the tarot, gazes directly at Eve. They may be called the lovers, but they are not lovers yet. See the clouds between them. The clouds predict the fall and the hurdles they will overcome as their relationship becomes grounded in reality. All looks perfect in the Eden, but Eve and Adam are only just about to recognize each other and know love. From this point onwards, we know the snake will tempt Eve to eat the fruit and their relationship will change forever. In the major arcana sequence, the lovers arrive after the card 5, the Hierophant. One of his meaning is marriage and the integration of the male and female aspects. After the lovers come, the card 7, the Chariot. We have made our love decisions and the tension release drive us forward. The lover's number is 6, the number of the harmony, love and the growth. It is also associated with the healing and so links with the healing Archangel Raphael. The card's numerological link is 15, the devil, who stands for the shadow side of the love, when issues of the control and possessiveness takes hold. Astrological, it's a Gemini card, dual aspects, male and female, light and shadow. If it shows an upright position, lover shows a relationship and the decision. The card can predict meeting a new partner or a career opportunity, and your choice now will have a significant effect on your future. In the upright position, the person coming into your orbit now has a positive influence and offers true love, provided you follow the guidance of your heart rather than your head. If you are willing to take a risk rather than stay with a safe choice, you may soon discover your own Garden of Eden, which is fertile and rich with the possibility. If you are already in a relationship, a decision whether to take your partnership to a deeper level will be made. The issue that the Lover's card raises is your ability to make a decision based on your own long-term future rather than on short-term gains. In this way, you are being asked to make a mature decision that supports your true needs, respect, intimacy, love and trust, and to connect with a partner who is emotionally available to you. Whatever your situation, the message is to follow your heart's desire. An additional meaning of the Lover's card is your young person leaving home and making an independent decision. If it shows up in a home setting, if you are not living in your dream home, now is the time to work towards a property and location that will support your dreams and desires. Relationships, a love decision, look at your patterns in the previous relationship and see what your current love or prospective new partner can offer you that is different and ultimately more fulfilling. If you are single, love yourself first to manifest the right relationship, then the time comes. Career and money section. Career choices. One option may seem easier, but look carefully and ensure you are making the best decision in the long term. Look beyond the money to your future development and ambition. If this card shows up in a reverse position, the meaning is relationship go out of balance and the shadow side of your personalities enters the equation. A relationship is in crisis and you may question your initial attraction as the values you once held as a couple feel corrupted. There may be inequality, betrayal and dishonesty. The Lover's reverse is also an aspect of the card 15, the Devil, which reveals lust, materialism and addiction to negative patterns. Wisdom of the card is follow the wisdom of your heart. The symbols which show up in the card are Archangel Raphael, the Archangel of love and healing, symbolizes the spiritual wisdom and the healing power of love. Following the heart and committing to love as a life purpose heals us and heals others. The Tree of Life, find this on the right of the card behind the man. It stands for the male principle. It has 12 fruit representing the 12 sign of zodiac, the tree of knowledge of good and evil. You can see this on the left of the card behind the woman. It stands for the female principle. The tree fruit is sexual experience. The snake, risk and wisdom. In Christianity, it is a fall of the man, Adam and Eve's banishment from the Eden when they ate the fruit of the tree of knowledge of the good and evil. This was all about Lover's card. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in next reading.